Hello. So today I wanted to talk about one of the best ways to monetize and get some money from your blog with content ads. So this is my blog right here, Writers with Cats. And as you can see, I do have one ad for Audible. And then if you scroll down a little bit, actually, let me just select one of my latest posts. I did add some content ads right here. One for a digital thermometer for ear, and digital thermometer for uh, rectal for cats. So, and then down here you can see that I have Amazon Kindle Unlimited as well. So you might have noticed the theme. Amazon recently did allow regular people to post their ads on their website or their blog. And that is pretty much the best way and completely free way to advertise on your blog. I've been doing it for I just started, so maybe a couple days, but I am going to show you exactly what that looks like. So here it is. It's called Amazon Associates. So what you're going to want to do is go on to Amazon Associates, or you can just go on to the regular Amazon.com website, scroll all the way down, and as you can see, make money with us. So you're going to want to go to become an affiliate. And once you select that, Amazon will bring you to the steps needed in order to sign up. So the one thing about Amazon Associates is that you have to make at least 3 qualified sales in a period of time. Right now their period of time is 180 days. And then if you do not make a sale in that period of time, then they will suspend your selling ability, your account. So just keep that in mind, that you might want to build some type of credibility on your blog or website first before you start posting these ads, just so you can get the best quality out of this type of program. But the best thing about this is that, number one, it's free, and number two, you can literally put any of Amazon's products as well as promotions. As you can see here, that's where I got these two, this promotion, so for Audible, and then down here for Kindle, those are promotions from Amazon that also count within the fee. So you get a fixed advertising fee for if anyone decides to sign up for any of these free trials or paid subscriptions of Amazon products. So it has every single thing you could think of. I'm just going to go to the Audible because that's the one I'm most familiar with. Right now, it'll show you the promotion that they have for that particular product, and you can get the banner or the link. So the link will show you different types, short links for like YouTube, movies, link, and then the HTML for website people. The banners are nice, are really cool because you can put them, it'll look exactly like the actual banner of what it says. So this is the ones that I have that actually show the image, and so once the person clicks it, it'll take them to the product and with your referral link attached to it. So this is my favorite way to advertise right now. There's no limitations of how many ads you can put on or content you can use. the at your home screen when you sign up will look a little bit like this. Like I said, I just started, but you can see I've already had 6 clicks. No one bought anything yet, but I'm really new at this. But if you could just imagine selling Amazon products on your website or blog, this can really help you get some bang for your buck for your blog or website. So I just wanted to share this with anyone who's also thinking of starting a blog or wondering, what way will help them monetize their blog. So I hope this helped, and I will post a link in the description to get you to here so you can start up today. Thanks for watching, and have a good rest of your day.